Hey everyone, a huge crazy day in the US stock market today. I mean, the NASDAQ fell like 4% or something. It was just huge, epic proportions. We saw oil prices tank, we saw crypto tank. And yes, it has a lot to do with uncertainty with the economy. It has a lot to do with fears of a downturn. But what a lot of people aren't really talking about, and I talked about this on a video in late 2024, was the market was really overvalued. When you look at the NASDAQ, when you look at many of these tech companies, NVIDIA, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, the list goes on, they had very, very high PE ratios. This is the thing that you got to keep in mind. So we really haven't had a significant correction in the US stock market since late 2022. And by the way, back then, we had a previous administration, keep in mind. I believe every single administration we've had has had significant stock market corrections. There's just no question about it. The PE ratios are high. It's just the way these cycles work. And where I think it's going, look, I'm not going to give you financial advice. I can see, I'm not surprised if we're going to see another correction of about 7 to possibly 20%. I am not surprised if we're going to see this market continue to correct, because remember, there's the tax strains. People are paying their taxes. It's going to continue to correct until possibly late April, maybe into May. And if we see a significant correction, about 15 to 20 something percent, that's where I'm going to continue to buy. Okay. And let's not forget that the real estate market is slowing down. And I think that's going to affect a lot of corporate profits. When there's reduction of government spending, that does affect corporate profits as well, because some of that spending goes into the earnings of these companies, depending on which type of sector you're talking about. So all of these things do matter. There's going to be a lot of short-term pain, don't get me wrong, but I'm very optimistic in the coming years ahead. Thank you so much, and please stay tuned.